If you're having any trouble with logging out of your WhatsApp on your Android, this may be harder than expected. So here's how to log out and log in into your WhatsApp, and watch till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip how to save and restore your data when you're entering into a new account. All right, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Press settings, now press account. After that, simply press remove account. So this account is going to be removed. Here is a very valuable tip. If you don't want to lose any of your data, because some phones can delete your data or you may delete it by yourself, you are to create a backup. So press create a backup, press backup, and it will be saved right to your Google account. Let's press remove account, confirm your choice by pressing remove, and give your WhatsApp some time to perform that. So confirm your choice, press remove account once again, and basically that is it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.